Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility, GPU model, PSU wattage, and case clearance. Once done, create a system restore point and backup critical files so you can revert settings if needed. Now power the PC off and unplug it. Touch a grounded metal surface to bleed static and remove the case panel. Next, unscrew the GPU bracket, press the PCIe latch, and gently pull the old card straight out. Do not force it. A firm, even pull will free the card safely. With the old card out, align the new GPU with the PCIe slot and lower it straight in. You should feel a click when the latch engages. Make sure the bracket lines up and fasten the mounting screws, then connect the required 6 or 8-pin PCIe power cables. Do not use adapters unless rated. Once secured, replace the side panel, plug the power cable back in, and reconnect your monitor to the GPU output. Make sure display cables match the port types you intend to use. You should boot into the OS and uninstall previous GPU drivers using a tool or device manager. Then install the manufacturer's latest drivers so the card functions properly. After installing, run a quick stress test and monitor temperatures and frame rates to confirm stability. If you encounter a black screen, make sure the monitor input matches the GPU port, reseat the card, and verify all power connectors are fully seated. If problems persist, update BIOS and test with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.